See the friends, the continuation. One more important topic in per unit system analysis is conversion from old base to new base. How to convert per unit values from one base to another base. Here instead of I am writing one base to another base, I am taking as old base to new base. Already existing base values are taken as a old base values. Then whatever the base values now you are selecting, that is taken as a new base values. Okay. Then what is the need of this formula? For that, let us consider when you can use this formula. Okay. Let us consider one power system network. You know that a power system network consists of, at starting, sending in, there is one generator, then there is one step up transformer, then there is one transmission line, yes, and there is one step down transformer, and it is connected to motor. Okay, like this is one of the single diagram representation of power system network. Yes, see, this power system network is having its own rating. Transformer is having its own rating, transmission line is having its own rating, and motor is also having its own rating, generator is having its own rating. Clear? Now you want to convert these values into per unit. Once you are converting it, once you want to convert into per unit values, you can select the new base values. Understood? Now already some values are exist for the given network. Now you are selecting into some values are the base values. Corresponding to that base values, you want to write the per unit values. That means if you want to convert old base values into new base values, then you want to represent into per unit. There is one formula is required. For that I am writing this formula. That means conversion from old base to new base. Then which formula you can use. Okay. Small derivation is there. How we can get that formula? Who are preparing only for gate and PSU's point of view? The final formula is important. Who are preparing for ESC point of view? Whatever the derivation I am giving, that derivation also you concentrate. Clear? Now see. Then already existing system base values, existing system ratings I am taken as a old base. That is old system. Just for notation purpose I am taken as a old system. Then whatever the you want to convert that existing system into new base values, that is taken as a new system. This I am taken as a new system. Clear? Now see, let the already told in any power system generally specified base values are voltage base and upper end power base. That is base voltage V volt, base V volt, then this is S volt base. But let the actual impedance is ZA. There is no change of actual impedance from old system to new system. That's why here new base voltage, this is the new upper end power, but the actual impedance is same. There is no change. Actual impedance is ZA. Clear? Now I want to write what the per unit impedance volt, Z per unit volt. How to define per unit? Actual value by base value. That is the ZB volt. Then Z actual by. How to write impedance in terms of voltage and upper end power? I already given. How to write impedance in terms of voltage and upper end power? How to write? Yeah. VB voltage square by upper end power. This formula already known. S volt B. Then what is Z per unit volt? Then Z per unit volt equal to Z actual Z actual into S old B by V volt B square. Okay, this is Z per unit volt. But I am writing this apparent power in terms of units. In terms of unit, I am writing. Clear? Concentrate. Final formula is very important. Yes. Then what is the Z per unit volt? Z per unit volt equal to Z actual into this volt ampere. Apparent power I am writing volt ampere. Volt base by this is V. This is Z per unit volt. Okay. But this is for small rating. Same formula can you write for old higher rating? Yes, it's very simple. How to write that I told already. Then Z per unit volt equal to Z actual into, for higher rating instead of VA you take MVA. MVA volt by MVA volt kV volt square. This is higher rating. Clear? Now from this I want to write what is ZA. Just for I want to write the formula, final formula. That's why I am doing some modifications here. What is the ZA you tell me from this one? ZA, that is Z per unit volt into, bring this side, kV volt square by MVA volt. That this is equation 1. Now come to the new system. How to write for new system you tell me? First you define Z per unit new. Z per unit new. That is actual impedance is same. Z actual by ZB new. But ZB base impedance directly you don't know. You write this base impedance in terms of apparent power and voltage. Then Z per unit new. Z per unit new equal to, tell the students, ZA by S V new square by SB, S new base. Now what is Z per unit new? Z per unit new equal to Z actual into S new P new square. This is Z per unit new. But I want to write this apparent power in terms of units. How to write you tell me? S, then Z per unit new equal to new per unit impedance. S, Z actual into volt ampere new by V new. This is volt ampere, this is new base square. But this is for small rating. For higher ratings, how to write? For higher rating, Z per unit new is equal to Z actual into higher rating. Write down here for higher rating. That is MVA new base by kV new. That is kV square. This is a new base. Clear? This is important formula. How we are write into Z per unit new. But from this, what is the Z actual? Z actual equal to S. How to write? Z per unit new into, that is kV new base square by MVA new base. This is Z actual. And this is equation 2. Now see the students, from equation 1 and 2, this is left hand LHS side ZA. Here also LHS side ZA. LHS sides are equal, then you can equate RHS. Then once you can equate at RHS side, then what is the LHS side? ZA, ZA. Then what is the RHS side here? Z per unit nu into new base, kV new base, MVA new base. kV new base square by MVA new base is equal to, what about this one? Z per unit volt into, yes, I am writing here, is equal to Z per unit volt into kV volt square, kV volt square by MVA volt. This is the kV volt base, MVA volt base. Understood? But I want Z per unit nu in terms of Z per unit volt. Then how to write? Yes. Then Z per unit nu equal to, then from this one Z per unit nu equal to Z per unit volt into this kV nu comes under denominator, MVA nu goes into numerator. That is MVA new base by MVA old base into this kV volt by kV nu whole square, old base new base. Very important 5-star formula in solving of problems in current system analysis. Like this, how to convert old current values into new current values. If you want to convert old current values into new current values, then MVA new base, MVA old base is required, kV old base and kV new base is also required. Understand? Okay. Whatever the derivation I am giving, ESC descriptive point of view very important, already asked. In ESC exam already this question is already framed. Okay. In future also we can expect, that's why you practice. But who are preparing for GATE and PSUs, concentrate how I am writing the formulas. Not only concentrate on directly, don't go for final formula. No doubt at all, final formula you remember. But how you are writing that formula is important. Okay, sometimes in GATE exam, during solving of the questions, not required this formula directly. In middle of that, how you are writing that formulas, that concept is also important in solving of the GATE questions. Understood? Clear? Okay, this how to convert one base to another base, one base or old base to new base. The next video, remaining concepts will continue.